The first video is a viral one from IRXN7AEP, while the second video is one I created myself in CapCut using its simple features. Here, I'll show you how to create an edit clone style, as in the previous video. The first step, create a musical beat. Go to Beats icon and tap Auto Generate. Simple, right? After that, prepare your video and set the duration at 6.8. Copy twice and make it an overlay. Then apply Remove BG to both overlays. Copy a few first. To be more precise, there are 10 overlays in total, and adjust the start clip overlay each on the next beat, and drag the overlay from the second one to the right and to the left. Adjust it to your video you want. Do this until the last overlay, and just leave the first overlay, because we will make the first overlay the main object. After that, set the layer to make the first overlay the main object, or place the first overlay in the front position. Add 2 keyframes to each overlay like this. Basically, add the first keyframe to each overlay, then add the second keyframe on the next beat. Everything is finished. Tap the second overlay and set for the first keyframe. Return the object to the center or to its original position, and do the same thing until the last overlay. Then apply cubic outgraph for the second overlay to the last overlay. Then export and into to the new project. Okay, this time pay attention to the beat points. First, I added a keyframe at the beginning of the clip and on the second beat, and I zoomed in on the second keyframe and dragged it to the right according to the background that appeared. Then add keyframes with 1 beat point gap and drag it towards the background that appears. Apply cubic outgraph for the first keyframe only, and apply cubic ease graph on every keyframe until the end of the clip, and do the same thing until the second last beat point of the clip. Drag each keyframe to the background area that appears and apply a cubic ease graph to each subsequent beat. After that, pay attention to this. Count the keyframes and starting from the 6th to the 9th keyframe to rate it to the right and to the left. Then add shake effect, object to all video, and add keyframe to beginning and end. First keyframe speed 100, intensity 40, and for second keyframe speed 100, intensity 0. Then apply cubic outgraph, copy the effect and do the same thing on each music beat. After that, copy the effect, replace with jelly movement, align with the clip and set speed to 20. Then add trimmer strobe effect, object to all video, and set like this. Intensity 0, atmosphere 50, glow 0, and speed 15. Then export and into to the project. Add the newly exported clip and apply it in reverse. After that, go to adjust icon, set graph color to you want, place it under the second clip on each music beat, and set the graphic to the color you want. Next, go to transition icon, select slide left and set duration on 0.5s. Apply turbulence 2 animation for second clip and set duration on 1.8s. Then export and create into to the new project. Go to motion blur icon and set like this. Blur 70, blend 50, direction forward, times twice. Okay, done. And please for tap repost. It's